educators, welcome to Passmark Educators. My name is George, and today we are going to learn about exploring assessment methods in education, that is competence-based education. We are going to understand the structure of CBE. So CBE is an education system that is designed to provide seamless and flexible learning pathways that caters for the diverse educational needs of the learners. And CBE is structured into three main levels. That is the early years of education. These covers preschool, that is pre-primary and lower primary, grade 1, 2, and 3. And this level focuses on foundational skills such as literacy, numeracy, communication, and social interactions, without forgetting the basic life skills and moral values. The other level of CBE is middle school education, that is from grade 4 to 6, ages from 10 to 15 years. Here, learners explore wider curriculum, including core subjects like mathematics, language, science, and social studies. We also have the practical subjects, which includes agriculture, home science, and creative arts. And in this level, they emphasize on critical thinking, problem solving, and teamwork, and also experimental learning. We also have the other level, that is junior school. In junior school, is from grade 7 to grade 9, that is between the ages of 13 to 16 years. And this gives an opportunity for career specialization in specific pathways based on the learner's skills and talents. So the three main pathways in junior school includes creative arts, and in creative arts we have performing arts, visual arts, and sports. We also have social sciences, and social science includes humanities, business studies, and languages. The third level is the STEM, that is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And in the STEM, we have applied science, technical and engineering studies, and we also have pure studies. So thank you very much. Continue to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stay in tune, because we are going to, in the next session, we are going to discuss the career guides, the subjects that are included in senior school.